In this module, we'll explore the allocation workflow within the OTC Pricer, a feature designed to manage how trades are distributed across multiple client accounts. Allocation plays a critical role when a single trade needs to be executed for several client accounts. By defining how the trade notional is distributed, the platform ensures that each account receives its correct share of the transaction while maintaining accurate exposure tracking, credit validation, and booking records. The platform supports allocation both before execution and after execution, enabling trading desks and operations teams to manage multi-account trades efficiently while maintaining full transparency and audit visibility. Within the pricing screen, allocation can be accessed from the right-hand setup panel next to the account field. Selecting allocation opens the allocation window, where participating accounts can be added and configured. This interface allows users to define how the total trade notional will be distributed across multiple accounts. Each row in the allocation table represents a participating account. For every account, users can specify the allocation amount, the allocation percentage, and optional remarks for internal reference. The system automatically validates the allocations to ensure that the total distribution equals 100% of the trade notional before the process continues. The platform supports two allocation approaches. Users can allocate by notional, entering the exact amount assigned to each account. This method is typically used when allocation values are predefined. Alternatively, users may allocate by percentage, allowing the platform to automatically calculate the corresponding notional for each account based on the total trade size. As allocation values are entered, the summary section updates in real time, providing a clear view of how the total exposure is distributed across the participating accounts. For workflows where the same group of accounts is used repeatedly, the platform also supports allocation templates. Templates allow predefined allocation structures to be applied instantly from the template dropdown. Users can create new templates, clone existing templates, or modify allocation ratios based on the requirements of specific client groups. This helps trading desks maintain consistent allocation structures while significantly reducing manual input. Once the allocation structure is defined, the platform performs automatic credit and exposure checks for each participating account. After the allocations are finalized, the user may proceed by selecting Request Price. At this stage, the OTC Pricer consolidates all allocations into a single aggregated RFQ and sends the request to the connected liquidity providers. While the RFQ behaves like a standard pricing request, the platform internally tracks each allocation as a child record, linked to a single parent RFQ. When quotes are returned, the price displayed on the screen reflects the combined trade. Once the desired quote is selected, clicking Execute automatically books the trade across all allocated accounts according to the defined allocation ratios. Execution confirmation appears immediately, displaying the overall executed premium, while the individual allocations are reflected directly in the trade blotter, with each allocation recorded as a separate trade entry. Users can review account-level notionals and premiums to understand how the trade is distributed. In some operational scenarios, allocations may need to be performed after execution. These actions are governed by system permissions and are recorded in the trade's audit history to maintain full transparency. The platform therefore supports allocation both before execution for trade accuracy and after execution through a dedicated workflow, allowing trades to be distributed across accounts based on operational requirements. The allocation workflow provides a structured and transparent way to manage multi-account trading within the OTC Pricer. This capability enables trading desks and operations teams to manage complex multi-account transactions efficiently while maintaining full transparency, compliance, and audit visibility across the trading lifecycle.